already many cheesecake recipes on my website www.foodologybydeepali.com and many more to come. Today I am going to share with you all another cheesecake recipe, that is New York style no-bake Oreo cheesecake. It's thick, creamy and loaded with Oreo cookies. And this cheesecake is definitely not a diet food. But believe me, it's so delicious, it's worth every single calorie. And this is coming from a girl who hates treadmills. So let's start. To begin with, I have 150 grams Oreo cookies. Let's put it in a blender. And we'll crush these cookies. You can see I've got a nice crush. As you can see, I have not removed the cream also from the biscuits. Along with the cream only I have crushed it. You can do it with a rolling pin also. And here I have around 50 grams of melted butter, which I am adding to this biscuit. We've got a nice crumb now, nice Oreo crumb. I have prepared around 7-inch ring pan. Just place it on a board and spread this mixture inside the ring. And using your hands, spread it equally and press it nicely with the help of your fingers, or we can use backside of any glass, smooth back of any glass we can use to press it. We need even surface, so try to spread it equally. Now keep it in the fridge for almost half an hour. Now I have around 500 grams of homemade cream cheese with me. I have already given this recipe in my video. I'll post you the link in the description box. Using a hand mixer, blend it well. Add 50 grams of powdered sugar to this and 50 grams of cream. Now my mixture is absolutely smooth. I have few crushed Oreo biscuits with me. We'll add this to the mixture and mix well. Our cheesecake mixture with Oreo crush is already ready with us, and our biscuit crumb is also perfectly set. Now time to pour it. Pour it evenly. So after pouring half of the mixture, I'm going to put some Oreo cookies. This is optional. If you want, you can skip it also. We have added enough of Oreo this thing. And now pour rest of the cream cheese. Make sure to cover the all cookies. Spread it nicely. Now the most important part is to set it nicely, to freeze it well. So we'll keep it in the refrigerator for almost 3 to 4 hours. Because we have not added gelatin also, so we have to make sure that it sets well. All the cookies are perfectly covered, and I'll keep it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. So after 3 hours, take it out from the refrigerator and sprinkle some more Oreo crush on the top. As I said, this is loaded with Oreo cookies. I have crushed around 50 grams of cookies more and spread it nicely all over the cake. And again keep it in the fridge for another hour. So after 3 to 4 hours, time to take the ring out. Loosen up the edges little with the help of a sharp knife. And slowly take the ring out. So our nice cheesecake is absolutely ready. Let's start. I have some whipped cream with me. Let's make some nice peaks with the cream. Garnish it with some more Oreo cookies. So you can see our delicious, thick, creamy cake is ready. You can see the nice edges, thick edges. One can see the crushed Oreo cookies also in the cream cheese. Enjoy this undeniable dessert.